There's birds everywhere. They're gobbling on their own. I'm using the peacock call too. Got one over yonder way. One or several over yonder way. They're all around me. I think there's some behind me. There's birds behind me, in front of me. That one bird's close. Probably need to get out of here. I know right where they are. We're gonna get out of here. Scouting public here in the upstate. The South Carolina game's on too. And it is fired up this morning. I heard some hens with them gobblers. This spot right here is gonna be my best shot at killing a bird on public this year. It doesn't look like people's been back yet. It's gonna be first to the gate on opening day here. Well, it's about 3 a.m. I got up about 2:15 through 2:30. Made the 40 minute drive down here. And I know this spot that me and my cousin are going into today is loaded with birds. I've scouted this place a few times and I know the birds are here. Came out the other morning, listened to 3 to 5 birds gobbling on the roost. I didn't mess with them, I just left them alone. I wanted to be the first ones here. Problem is today we've got some crappy weather, rain, wind, just not ideal turkey hunting weather. But there's a few things that we can do to try to get in front of them. I know right where they're roosting, and I think we can have them fly down in our lap and circle around if we don't get them right off the roost and get down to the bottom and cut them off. We're just going to play it by ear. I'm going to try to get some sleep, but the way this road is, to get in this place, somebody could, if I fall asleep, somebody could pull in behind me or pull in around me. And you can't, there's really not much of a turnaround down there, but the road goes in there a pretty good ways and only a couple 100 yards from where the birds are roosting. Hopefully they see my car here and that deters them from pulling in around me. I don't want to block the entrance because that just seems like the wrong thing to do. We'll see. This is public land. I've never hunted public land on opening day of turkey season. I've always had a lease to go to. I wanted to start out on public land because I really want to kill these birds. And right now we're going to try to catch some sleep because it's only 3 o'clock. And we got 4 hours before, you know, stuff starts to happen. Jeffrey, my cousin Jeffrey should be here 4:35, no later than 5:30. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we'll see y'all soon. All right, guys, it's April 1st, opening day of turkey season here in Game Zone 2. Me and Jeffrey here about to hit some public land. We are, it's 5:12. I've been here since about 3 o'clock. Jeffrey got here about 4:45. Luckily, we were the first ones here. Bad thing is the weather is just crappy. So we're gonna sneak in. We're gonna leave here at 5:30. We got about 15 minutes. I hadn't seen nobody else. We got 2 cars parked out here, so hopefully we got this whole place to ourselves. Maybe we'll have some luck. I heard about 3 to 5 birds in here a couple days ago on Wednesday. It's Saturday, so and they're hot. Plus I scouted it a few weeks before that, and actually probably back in early March, and seen birds on the ground. So lots of sign. There was a turkey track here in the road Wednesday when I came. So we're gonna wrap it up, sneak in here. We're gonna be lights out going in. So you probably won't see us again until right at daybreak. And rock and roll time, opening day, baby. I ain't heard nothing yet, but it's windy as heck. I mean, there's scratchings everywhere. On a good day, this is where they would have been. I'll find them. We're gonna find a little bit more cover now that it's daylight. All we gotta do is just sit in here until they show up. Yeah, eventually they'll come through there. I need to glass this bottom before we move down in there and get behind one of these trees and look. Damn wind. That wind is ridiculous. We just got a gobble. Oh yeah, get ready, boy. He's either gonna swing high and around, but he's probably gonna come right to you. Right at that stump. Right, girl. Too low. Right. Listen, Jake, I ain't gonna shoot when you shoot it. Over there. Coming. Sounds like a couple of them. I see the big old Tom in the bottom. That's too far. all the turkeys down there. There's, oh my God. Let's get a double. Okay? Just right. See them? Go ahead and call them.
Telling you, as long as they don't come straight over that hill, I'm fine. And damn, I looked around and was like, shit, they're right here on right where they didn't need to be. You know, one of them went back up the hill. It met up with another one.
Yeah.
And they circled. So there was three right here.
Oh boy, they were gobbling, son.
Yeah.
Oh, sun's coming out. We got soaked. Luckily, I brought a change of clothes. Close, but no cigar. That was probably one of the coolest hunts on public land I've ever had. Thunder, lightning, and they were hammering in amongst it. I mean, right in the middle of it all. And then the woods exploded below us. And I mean, we were pinned down, couldn't move. They were, what, 80 yards away?
Yeah,
80 yards.
90. Pouring rain.
Pouring rain.
They're fighting, running each other around.
One thing's for sure, this is a little hot spot here on public. Can't hunt Sundays. It's gonna be windy tonight. We could probably come in here and maybe try to get them on the roost, but I think Monday morning I might try to slip in here. I don't know. I enjoyed it, man.
Oh yeah, me too. We'll do it again.
We'll get after them.